In this video, I want to show you how to do a custom list using a keyword search. And this is similar to how we created our author search for the keywords. Instead of having to plug in one at a time in the search bar, we now have the ability to put multiple keywords in all at once. So we're going to start off by going again to our My Lists section, and we're going to create a list. And then from the list that we have to create from, we're going to select keywords down here. And we'll go ahead and click on next, and now we're going to enter into a spot that gives us some options on how to search. So we can search just in the title with the keywords, or we can also select it to search in the overview as well. If we select in the overview, that's going to bring a lot more titles into the list. It's going to be a much more in-depth list. So depending on how you want to search that, you can do one or both. So we're just going to do title for this one. And then for our search method, if we're putting in multiple words, having all words selected means that every word that we have put into our keyword search would have to be contained inside the title. That's not what we want. We're going to select any words, so that way any one word that's in this list, if any one of those words would show up in the title, then it would be captured in our list. So I've created a list here ahead of time, and these are words that are all related to London. So I'm going to go ahead and copy these in, and I will paste those into here. So we've got our 10 words selected, all London-related words. And so we're going to go ahead and push this forward. Again, all the headers are pre-selected for us, so that's good. We'll just leave that the way it is. Again, opportunity to do some fine-tuning here at the end, but if we are fine with what we've got our 10 keywords. We're going to go ahead and call this a London list. And again, we can create a template from this list as well. We can have it scheduled to recur every weekly. We're going to have it starting today. Will be sent every week. We're going to go ahead and leave that to be sent on Monday. It's sending to my email address, and we can just put in a message to remind ourselves what this is. We'll go ahead and create that list. And so now we've got that scheduled to come in our templates. And again, too, now we can also create this list now to look at it and view it right away. And here we have our list populated for us with all London-related titles. Those words that we have selected, they're all in the title here. So this is a really great tool for you to create lists. You can do that for regions that you are in. If there's keywords for the region that your store may be in, or the area that you live in, that you can create a list from that. You can base that around events. You can base it around all kinds of different things. So wherever you might want to use a keyword search, then you can create this very simply through this tool.